Hi everyone, this is Luting here. Today I'll be going through review the advanced static analysis. And how am I going to do it? Basically I'm going to use IDEA Pro. IDEA Pro is an interactive disassembler which generates assembly language source code from machine executable code. It actually helps you to actually look at software at the lowest level to know how it is built. Okay, without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, I already loaded the malware into my IDEA Pro, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so first thing first, what you want to do in IDEA Pro, right, is actually understand what functions are being used and what functions and how are they being called. So in order to do that, right, what you want to do is go to View and go to Function Calls, and you'll see this very small thing. It's okay, you can still zoom in. Even though it looks small, actually it's very big. As you can see, there are a lot of functions inside here. These are all the imported functions. Okay, you can see there are some other functions, sorry, not functions, there are some other subroutines that are being called to one another, and some are being just called solely by themselves. But all in all, they have an ending point, which is this DLL function call. Okay, let's just minimize this. Okay, normally when you want to do IDEA Pro, what you want to do is to analyze the mean. So if you want to find the mean, you can actually go to the names window here and just slowly go down and find the mean. However, for my case, this malware, um, its main is actually empty, so you can't really examine it. However, there's this start here, whereby it contains all the codes from here onwards. Actually no, sorry, you got to view the .text file. I mean .text mode here. Okay, you can see all the codes from here. Okay, so let's start. Okay, for my case, I'm using this malware, and apparently based on my teammates, they say that it is a keylogger, and you need to take note of some stuff. So basically, there are some parts I have to take note of. Okay, let's first and foremost, what I want to do is I want to go through all the subroutines that are not being called, because I'm somewhat interested in it in a way that why are they not being caught by other subroutines. Okay, for example, let's go to this one, 404128. Okay, in order to go to there, in order to go to the 40128, it's very simple. Basically, what you go here, functions, and you type in. You can see it's loaded out already. Enter. As you can see, this is how, if you guys studied OOP or FSP, this is how a code is supposed to construct. As you can see, this red, green, yellow, red, and green arrows. Okay, so actually how this works is actually that you'll move this thing into this stack, and it'll do all, I don't know, all, you just check these two things, and if it outputs a 0, it will go to here. If it doesn't output a 0, it will go here. Okay, so let's go and view how it works. Okay, and to view more, you can just click text view. Okay, and this is the subroutine for subroutine 404128. Okay, so just scroll down. You can see get Windows text length. Okay, this is actually an MSDN function of the Windows operating system, which is supposed to get the length of a Windows text bar. For example, you see this top bar here, it's supposed to get the length based on the number of characters it has. So it returns an integer value. For example, if it's just IDA, it returns the value of 3. However, there is another thing about this Windows text. Like it doesn't really record, doesn't really reply back straight away the the text name bar on top here, because there are some applications whereby uh, the the name is not confirmed, it's editable. For example, if I open a notepad, it's called untitled, so it wouldn't straight away save it as what you saved it. Okay, next thing you want to do, next thing is okay, next thing is let me search for 40178. Okay, how about I just okay, how about this? I teach you another way. You can jump to the address. In order to jump to the address, you need to know these things here, dot text. So if I need my 40178, the address is text 0040 B756. Okay. B756, and then you continue, go downwards, go up, sorry, go up and down. It's around here, so you give me a while. It's taking quite a while. Jump into the field. Pause. 4178, 41. Let me just go back to start. Sorry. 40. Text. Oops. Apparently this text is wrong. I just typed in the wrong one. Sorry. Okay. So what you want to do is the real address is actually just I typed wrongly. 404.178. Okay. This is the other subroutine which I found interesting. This is another subroutine which is solely by itself. Okay. Next is Z. Get foreground window. Okay. This is also another MSDN function. Foreground window actually is supposed to keep track of the background applications or windows that are opened